here's another invite for you guys. The Caracol Street Dance Competition 2025 will be happening August 16 na. Yan, August 16, 2025. Okay, 79th Feast of San Roque. Pang 79th na to. Yan. And syempre, yung Caracol March will be from San Roque Chapel to the Subic Gym. Okay, so mga gustong sumali. Usually ang sumasali dito mga schools. Get in touch with our friends at SBMA Tourism Department. Yung kanilang official Facebook page is Fantastic Subic Bay Facebook page. So if you're interested, if you want to join, yeah, do join the Caracol Street Dance Competition. Okay? Taon-taon ginaganap to sa Subic Bay Freeport. So once again, the Caracol Street Dance Competition 2025, August 16, 2025, from San Roque Chapel to the Subic Gym. Yan po yung magiging ruta, ano? Okay? Yung ruta ng Caracol Festival. And yung friends natin from G1 Productions and Entertainment, si Ate Marilu Angeles, would like to inform you guys, yung mga nagpo-follow sa kanilang, di ba, kailan lang nag-guest dito sa program ko itong mga to yung mga talented na singers na contestants ng Clash Dreamer. Clash of Voices. Ayan. Yung mag-ano na sila mag-grand finals na, the kids category, teens category, and adults category. Supposed to be July 27 siya, pero schedule has been moved. Magiging August 10 na po, ha? Okay? I think same venue pa rin sa SM City Olongapo Central. That was the last one we announced. Dati July 27, ano? Okay, pero ngayon, ano na po, ha? Na-move na sa August 10. Yung mga nagpa-follow, sarap manood nito. Panoorin nyo po yung kanilang grand finals, no? Okay? Napakaraming magagaling na talented na competitors nakasali, mga finalist na. Ibig sabihin, finalist na, pili na no? Best among the best na to. Mga magagaling na mga awit ng from Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. You know, as far as Santa Cruz, Zambales may contestant, no? Santa Cruz is 4 hours lang naman away from Olongapo to Santa Cruz, Zambales. Yan. Okay. And a couple of invites, lastly, for you from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and Downtown. Coffee and Friends Hangout at SM this July 15 to 31. SM Supermalls brings you the Coffee Fest. Coffee and Friends Hangout at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? Turning every mall into one big, vibrant cafe where every visit brews a new story and every cup makes moments with friends even better. The most popular drink in the world is coffee. Do you guys know that? Yung iba yung iba adok na adok That's adok na adok sa coffee. Katatapos lang ng isang cup, timpla agad ng pangalawa Yung iba, may kilala akong ganun And the town of the month is San Marcelino, Zambales. Okay? Get ready to enjoy exclusive deals from your favorite stores at SM City Olongapo Central. Sa Central po ito residents of San Marcelino, Zambales. Kayo po ang town of the month. So bring your ID when you shop. And shop for adventure at the SM store, Olongapo Downtown, July 1 to 31. Free 2 passes. Dalawa. To Sinagtala Farm Resort and Adventure Park with a minimum 3,000 single receipt spend from July 1 to 31. So visit SM City Olongapo Downtown now. SM Supermalls is celebrating 40 years of creating memories. And now we're sharing stories that matter. Be part of the SM Book Donation Drive by donating new or pre-loved books at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Every book you give helps us reach our goal of 40,000 books for the National Library of the Philippines and its affiliate libraries. Wow, this is gonna be worth your while. Baka yung ibang books dyan na nabasa mo na lahat, natutulog na lang, inaagyaw na, i-donate nyo na Visit SM now. All SM malls kasama dito Drop your books at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? And experience the biggest celebration of Hybe artists, HYBE, on the big screen like BTS, 17, TXT, and Hypen, Les Seraphim, and Team, Boy Next Door, TWS, Illit, Cat's Eye, and more. Buy your tickets now, July 10 to 13, only exclusively at SM Cinema, Olongapo Central. Buy your tickets now. And Company of the Month for SM City Olongapo Downtown is Jukin Sangyo. So employees of Jukin Sangyo, bring your ID and you're the Company of the Month. This is July 1 to 31. We got special deals and special offers for you. And July 1 to 31 is the SM Home Mid-Year Clearance Sale, up to 50% off on select home essentials. All right, so check it out. SM Home Mid-Year Clearance Sale, July 1 to 31. And Kaishin brings the students and teachers special promo. Enjoy 30% off discount when you present your school ID when you dine with us at Kaishin Level 2, SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? Perenna's Charms and Wellness Hub is now open. Looking for balance, clarity, or a little boost in life? Drop by at Perenna's Charms and Wellness Hub, your newest wellness destination in SM City Olongapo Downtown. And join SM for a super celebration. SM Supermalls is celebrating 40 years of growing, glowing, and going places with you. From your first unforgettable moments to today's everyday experiences, okay? So get ready for exciting deals, wild promos at all SM malls, of course. 40 super years. The Bureau of Immigration is open at SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? So for all of your immigration matters, the Olongapo Field Office is open for you Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. at the level 6 of SM Downtown. Sports Central is having their end of season sale up to 50% off, okay, on footwears, apparels, and accessories. June 26 to July 13, they are at SM Central level 2. And for your events and conventions, weddings, yung reception ha, hindi yung wedding mismo. Pwede rin if you want your wedding to be there. Visit SMX Center, 4th level of SM City Olongapo Central. Diyan yung naganapin. You organize and conduct your event there. Offers event-ready convenience for organizers and attendees alike. SMX Convention Center, 4th level, SM Central. End of season sale is, well, we're done with this. Hanggang July 6. Yeah, okay. Alright, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Oh, lastly, the SM Little Stars. We got one more preliminaries that will be happening on July 13. Okay, the first preliminaries happened yesterday, July 6. Pero meron pang isa, July 13. Yung mga talented kids nyo, ipa-join nyo na. Check it out. Amazing prizes awaits you. Awaits your little kids. Okay, the SM Little Stars is back. All right.